guys, welcome back to the Natural Learning Python course. Today, let's start a new unit in our course, Intro to Functions. So, what is a function? A function is some code written that you can call without repeating many lines. Let's say we had a 100-line while loop program, and we wanted to use that many times in a bigger program. Instead of trying to repeat those 100 lines so many times, we can use a function, and we can call it in one line, which is a lot faster, time efficient, and space efficient if you want to save a Python file when you get even better at Python. Now, the syntax is pretty simple. Def to define a function, then name, whatever name you want, arguments, this is what you pass in the function. Let's say I had a function that added 5 to a number. Then we would probably then add one argument to it, and it would be called n or something else. Then the code, which is what to do with the function, in this n plus 5 case, it would be print n plus 5. And then it all looks like this. Def func arguments, how many ever arguments you want at the bottom. And then do some stuff. And it's indented, meaning it's in the scope of the function, meaning it's inside the function. The instant you leave the indentation, it's no longer going to be in the function. Now, let's get coding. So, you can see there's syntax coloring. This is important. If you don't see it, there's probably something wrong with your code. And try again. Now, let's try writing a very simple function that we were mentioning earlier, n plus 5. So we say the def keyword, then our name. In my case, I'm calling it add 5. Then we put in our positional argument. You don't actually need any, so you can just say a hello world program that prints hello world, and it doesn't have any positional arguments. Now, we indent it with that colon that we normally do for like if statements or else statements or something like that. And now, we just put in our code. We say print n plus 5. Now, instead of saying n equals whatever and then print n plus 5 in a simple one-liner, we say add 5 of 5. And that gives us 10. Now, you might be thinking, I feel like I've seen some syntax that's similar to this cell right here. That's true. The print is a built-in function. That means that the creators of Python already made this. Also, the type and the len are all built-in functions, and you can tell that by the green highlighting that they have. Our custom functions don't have highlighting, but they have a name. Now, if you don't put in any arguments to our add 5 function, it will give you an error, meaning you need to pass it in. And if we don't put the open close parentheses, it'll just tell us what this function is. That's it for now. I hope you learned something. And as always, this was Natural Learn. Hey guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. We are proud to say that we are partnering with IgniteMinds, which is a STEM research organization that has private tutoring, blogs, webinars, and podcasts, and tons more. Go ahead and check them out at IgniteMinds.us. They have a beautiful team with people from all over the place, and they have amazing knowledge, so go check them out. Thank you. Bye.